Leetcode Weekly Context 501. Question number 1. This is an easy problem. This question is asking us to create a new integer array. But the key point of this question is just how to do a reverse of an array reverse. Actually, this is pretty easy in Python that there's a way to do this. Either it is a string or number or whatever it is. Just we do this, which is pretty easy and straightforward. This is all we need to solve this one. We can return the original array plus the reverse array. That is all we need.